sabe. Ey, ya tú sabes. That is spaz. Ya tú sabes. That I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one else want to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Made it a habit. Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep. I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep. Man, you know I was spazzing. Pa de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tranqui Kid 07 back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? For my new subscribers, was popping. And for the one that always been this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all, for real, for real. So today I'm gonna get down to a video where I'm gonna be talking about one of my Lowrider bikes, which is gonna be this one on the top. I'm gonna be installing new parts to it. I'm gonna try to stick with the original parts, original OG, parts, nothing else. It's gonna be hard to find, but what I want to get is a wheel, a spare tire for the back. I know somebody that has it. I'm gonna see if I can make an offer, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? But I ain't trying to, spend a whole bunch of money on some, on one, 16-inch spare tire. We're gonna see where it goes at, and we're gonna keep looking. You know what I mean? And I don't know, some mirrors and a steering wheel. I don't know, guys. What y'all think? What y'all think? This one is OG, or should I just keep it simple and just keep it the way it is? Let me know, guys. But I just want to add a little bit more things to it, like a steering wheel, maybe a light. I don't know yet. Y'all let me know what y'all think I should put on this baby over here. As y'all can see, has a lot of original parts to it. It's original. This bike is original. And it's by its condition, it's crazy. You can see the tires. I'm trying to get some tires like it, but it's 16-inch. That's what I want. I want to get a spare tire for the back with the kit, steering wheel, like I said. Maybe a light and some mirrors. Got the OG right there. Boom. Guys. And for this baby right here, y'all already know what it is. Boom. I got some fuzzy dice balls for it. Some red joints. So I just put on the dice balls on them. Fuzzy joints. What y'all think? Boom. And I got this flag right here. Yeah, I'm half Puerto Rican, half Mexican, so we gotta represent both. That should look tough. But yeah, I got new things for this coming soon, which I'm gonna see, I got too many. I got, y'all already know what's up, guys. Y'all already know what's up. When you Lowrider head, a bike dude, you're gonna have a couple projects. So this is my other project that I got going on. I got about, you see all that? I got 1, 2, 3, that's the fourth. This is gonna be number 5. This is my 5th one right here. That I still gotta do some stuff to it. The trach joint. You already know, like my other videos, I said I'm gonna, you know, take the frame off, repaint it. I got some homies that gave me a few tips on the back tires. I appreciate y'all. My garage, guys, whew, it's always something with my garage. I keep, you know what I mean, I keep it fresh, I keep it clean, you know, I keep it organized. But there's days where it just I can't keep it organized. You know what I mean? Just always something to do. I'm always doing something in the garage, and it's always messy. You know what I mean? I try to keep it organized. But the back tire, guys, I appreciate y'all. The one that looked out, the one that gave me some tips. I thank y'all so much for that. Like I said, I got 5 projects. I got 1, 2, 3. I got the 3 males right now. One is a 26-inch that I can see on the wall. That's a 26. I got that frame that's filled up. I got a female frame over there and another female frame over here. You know, a video that I did a while back that's gonna blend into a project that I'm doing now. You know, so what I'm gonna be doing is taking some rusted ass rims and making it look new again. You feel me? Alright guys, so this is the rims that I have going on right now. It's gonna be a project where I'm gonna be taking off all the spokes and I'm gonna paint them, you know, because I cannot re-chrome them. They're gonna cost money, but what I have is paint. So right now I'm gonna be taking off the axle. You know, use a 2 method. I'm taking them off. We're just gonna be painting blue and white. So I'm gonna take them off. I got the axle off, and this is how I got it. So it's gonna be easy to take the spokes off. And put a little bit of WD-40 because of the rust. So so bad that it will not come off. But use some WD-40 and it will come off right off. So I got half of it off. It took a little time, but still did it with the WD-40. So it wasn't really easy, but still had to do it. So right now I successfully took all the spokes off. Now I got the steel wool, sandpaper, some water. Work on the rust right now. I got the wire brush for this area right here, which is a little rough with the rust. And just I like to use that for crazy rust and with some mortar. That's what I use. So now I'll be using the steel wool to take off any minor rust that has, on the inside of the rim. Which was, take care of it real nice. See how polished it looks. And now the sandpaper just to give a nice little, smooth surface. So right now, I gotta, not completely done, but there's the process right there. A little bit. You see a little bit more rust there. Nothing too crazy, but that's how you gotta do it. I can't wait for the finished product. Okay, so I already cleaned the rust off. Took what I could take out. Some rust right there. So I gotta take a little bit more out, but all this, I'm gonna put primer on them. You're gonna get primered. Sanded, primer, sanded, and primer. Primer it twice. So what I got here is the rim primered about 2 or 3 times. I got the spokes, put, took the rust off and put primer on them. I got the ones here. Those is primer. I gotta primer this one's right here. I gotta take out the little caps. Prime those too. I did all of them one by one. I even put, painting tape on where the caps goes at for I won't get paint on those areas. And with the rim right there, prime. ready to go for a nice coat of matte blue. That's what I got. Spray can I got. Check it out for any rough spots, but it's already sanded down. So it's pretty good, you know. Just checking more. I'm just getting ready to put the matte blue. This can cost me about I like to use car paint. You get it at AutoZone, Home Depot. Um, it's about $14 a can. They're pretty good. Ain't nothing too crazy, but better than regular paint. This has a little bit of glitter in them, just like for a car. Oh, right here I got the frame. I'm priming it. Before I did it, I had to clean all the oils off. With like a degreaser. And, I just took a good spots. Get it nice and primed up. I mean, to add the matte blue, which I'ma have it right here. I got the matte blue going on now. So yeah, guys, those are gonna be my projects. You know what I mean? You know us, we got mad projects. You know what I mean? We got mad projects that we would love to do, but you gotta be step by step and one by one. I mean, it can't all be. We would love to have it all finished in one day, but you know what I mean? Life, hit us with whatever they throw at us. You know what I mean? Life, but we gotta get through it, and we still gotta, get these bikes on. On the road. You feel me? So that's what I'm aiming for. Hopefully, I'm hoping to finish all my projects this summer. Start little by little, but I gotta, I gotta be on top of it. But I just want to say thank you guys for everything, for the love. I appreciate the support, man. Thank you so much. I always want to say God bless, guys. Keep your head up. You know what I mean? Keep building, keep riding, keep living, guys. You know what I mean? Keep praying. Never forget to pray, guys. Never forget to pray, man. Any situation you in, just keep praying, guys. No matter what. But I just want to say thank you, guys. To the next video. Peace.